Hello. I'm just finishing up my makeup here slightly. And excuse me, wow, I'm getting over a cold. I thought while I did that, I would go ahead and tell you guys how I felt about NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. And it's full coverage, and I got the color Sienna because that's how they matched me. I was a little scared. My face is the color in between my neck and my chest. So that apparently is the color. I was very surprised, you know. It's very hard to match that, I feel like. Going for a natural brow here. Anyway, so I decided to see how it would look with this like super natural face that I'm trying to do. Can you see me? I really like how it comes out. Literally one pump it's a lot smaller than I expected it to be. I'm not mad at it though. Like, definitely not mad at it. It is literally just enough. And it's like they tell you, like, you only need this much, like, let me show you. So a little goes a long way. I use less than a pump sorry, this is like a trick I do to define my brows. Anyway, I use less than a pump. And use that with a little bit of concealer to get the kind of look that I wanted. And I like it. It doesn't feel drying, but I also will say that I definitely try to moisturize my face or have as much hydration in my face as possible before doing makeup, because especially since it being winter, like, you girl, I can't have no flakes. Like, no. All you people that do makeup and y'all have oily skin, God has blessed you, okay? Because while y'all are sitting here like, if only we had like matte skin, because, you know, then it would just stay put forever. Yeah, okay, that's great. But also, like, sometimes it's hard out here. Like, you can't just be wearing any type of foundation. You have to make sure that your skin game is on point. So, y'all are welcome. Welcome to trade for a day. But I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if I can like continue to blot my face throughout the day. But that's why Jackie Aina and other people are like really awesome in showing you how to combat that. So, blah, blah, blah. I'm on here to basically tell you that I really like the foundation. It surprised me. It surprised me. And you know, NYX is like, I don't know if it's drugstore. I don't know if it's like high-end. Like, what are you, bro? What are you? It's like ColourPop. ColourPop is not drugstore. They refuse to be sold in stores. The one time they were in MAC for like all of 5 minutes, and now they're online again. Like, what are you, bro? What? Help me. Help me help you. Just kidding, I can't help you. So yeah, but they're really professional. I also got their concealers. I wanted to try them out because I'd heard so much about them, and I like them as well. But I will let y'all know. Okay, let me calm down. There's a color, CW08.2, called Cappuccino. Okay, if anyone has ever had a cappuccino, I don't know. I've had a cappuccino. Cappuccinos typically have espresso and milk in them, at least according to being a barista. Things change. So yeah, then there's another color called Cocoa that is 0.84. I want you to take a look at these two colors here, okay? The little ashy brown one that I used as my little bit of my contour before adding powder and stuff. This is Cappuccino. What? And this is Cocoa. Like, I'm very confused. I thought cocoa beans, cocoa, hot cocoa, cold cocoa. I thought, I'm confused. So when I got these, I got them based off of the colors because, you know, 8.2 is lighter than 8.4. But when I read the names, I was like, that's not right. This is 8.2 Cappuccino. And this is 8.4 cocoa. Now, unless I just went to the only NYX store where they just mess everything up, I don't know. Unless I did that, this is wrong. You're wrong. You guys are wrong. I just want you to know that, okay? Even look at the bottles. How you gonna call this 8.2 and 8.4? Bro. We trying to be elevated in our intelligence up in here. Don't be trying to trick us. Anyways, calm down. Yeah. Despite that though, I really enjoy the colors, the what is it called? Yeah, I mean, I like it. I like it. But we'll see. I'll probably do like an actual look with a full coverage makeup. I'm so scared of those. I don't know why, but like I really am. But I'll see if we can do something like that, you know? And then we can go from there. So I'm about to just apply more. Shoot! Why, God, why? Because I knew I was supposed to use that brown pencil. All I want is some definition. Ooh. I don't know what I'm doing. This is not what I wanted to do. I'll use brown for what I want to do. Okay, anyway. I'm excited to do a full coverage look and all of that. But right now, I'm about to do my DIY cream highlighter and glow the heck out of my face. And then I'm just gonna do mascara and some lip color. Oh my God, y'all. I got Morphe's Nibble. It's so beautiful. Like, this is a color. Let me just go ahead and pop it out on me. Whatever. Let me just add some. This color literally will look good on just about anyone. Like, obviously, you know, you got a, what's it called? You got a lip line and all that stuff, but this color is the bomb. Dot. Freaking calm. And I just implore you to get it. I got the last one, snatched the last one out of Ulta. Not sad about it. So I'm just gonna show you real quick. It's just so beautiful. It's a perfect fall color. Like, perfect. This video is not even doing it justice. It doesn't know what it wants to be like. Is it red? Is it orange? Is it burnt orange? Like, what are you, bro? Are you the sister cousin to Limbo? Like, what are you? And what I like is that by the second or third application, which you don't need to do, you really don't, because it dries matte. And the matte color is delicious. But I like to do one or two depending on how the color comes out. So there's that. Let me continue my glow up. Make your own cream highlighter, please. I mean, like, splurge on yourself, love yourself, but also if you don't have the money, like me, my dude, just create it. That's what this guy at Home Depot told me. You know, don't let obstacles get in your way, and don't put obstacles in your way. If you don't have it, make it. So you show right. Oh, yeah, help me with this. Anyway, I'm gonna finish up with my mascara and everything, but I just wanted to show you guys the foundation. I just feel like I don't know if you can actually see. So I'm gonna lift this up. Or maybe I can't, so that you can actually see my face. So don't mind this. I'll fix that. But so far, I like it. I like that it's just barely giving me the coverage that I need. And the way that I'm doing my makeup, I will do it again, but with full coverage so that it looks like a natural-ish glam, even more so. Love this color. Do it for the gram. Do it for the gram. So I'm excited. I'm gonna finish my makeup and get out of here. But hopefully you guys enjoyed me talking about the foundation. I can show you what it looks like out the bottle on my hand, back of my hand. This color, I'd be like, that is not my color. Y'all are lying. You guys are liars, all of you. But I'm gonna spread it out here. Okay, it oxidizes, and when it does, it's literally my shade. I don't know how they did it, because this, I got makeup on my sleeve. Let me roll that up. This right here is not my swag. This is my cousin. Like, how? But I don't know how they did it, bro. It starts to oxidize and it gets the orangey color that I need, and it's just great. It's great. So anyways, okay. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'm going to take out my hair in the next video and show you the style that I did. I don't know how I did it under here. I don't know what to call it, but I'm sure it's going to be bomb, even though it's raining outside. Have a great day. Bye.